Hello everybody and welcome back to FarmGen Spectra. In today's video, we will be dealing with a quite different topic as I'll be talking about the online tutoring platform. So there are various platforms which are providing the online tutoring facilities. And today we'll discuss about SwiftLearn, which is one of them. But the speciality about SwiftLearn is that it is an Indian online tutoring platform. So, as we have seen during the pandemic, the whole world has shifted towards the digital world, and now for us, work from home is kind of a new normal. So, this particular platform gives us an opportunity of sitting at home and teaching students, and earn per hour. So basically, if you want to reach till SwiftLearn portal, I have given a link in the description box. So simply by clicking on the link, you will get here to this particular form, wherein you will have to fill in your details as step 1. For example, you will fill your email address, your name, gender and contact number. Your details should be correct, so please double check it because they will be contacting you on the address, on the email address and the contact number that you provide. Next, in the step 2, these are certain questions which are asked, like your laptop availability, the internet connection, the highest qualification. So here you have to mention that do you have a laptop with you, what is the internet connection that you're using, and what is your highest qualification. So do remember, having a very good internet connection is highly preferable, via SwiftLearn. Yeah. Then you will have to fill in your city, where exactly do you reside. After that, they will be asking you about your past experience into teaching. So basically, in years, how many years of teaching experience do you have? So be honest and write it with honesty. Then you will have to choose your first preference of standard. Here it means that what is the standard that you want to teach. If suppose I want to teach class 6th, so I will fill here class 6th. In the next, when you like scroll down, you will get second preference of standard. For example, I want to teach class 6th and 8th also. So in my first preference I can fill class 6th, and in the second preference I can fill class 8th. Next, they will ask you about your subject preference. Subject preference here means like what subject will you like to teach to the students. So they give you a wide variety of subjects ranging from maths, chemistry, biology, and Vedic maths, Olympiad studies. So whatever subject you want to choose that you would like to teach, you can fill it in here. Similarly, they also give you the option for second subject. Like first subject, if you suppose fill maths and you also want to teach science, so as the second subject preference you can always fill in science. At last, you have to upload your resume. So make it a very honest and a very nice attractive resume which you can upload here, and then you simply submit the form. Now, after this, once you have submitted, if they shortlist your resume, then you will be going ahead for the demo come training session. So, you will get a mail something like this for their phase 1. So basically they have divided their this interview come demo session into 4 parts, like 4 phases. So once you have been shortlisted from the form that you have filled, you will get this mail which says like introduction to SwiftLearn. So basically you have to read what exactly SwiftLearn is. Then you have to prepare yourself for a demo session. So whichever class you have chosen, for example you have chosen like science for class 8th or maybe for class 6th, then the content will be already given. So the best part here is you do not have to make the content on your own. They will provide you the content, you just have to go through the video, you have to go through the presentation, and then you can easily present it in the demo session. Also, you should be very thorough with the technical instructions. My advice will be you should already be equipped, that how will you have to use the portals like Zoom, Google Meet. Usually they prefer Zoom. So prior to giving your demo session, learn a bit about how to operate Zoom. It is very easy. Then after this, once you have successfully cleared phase 1, you will get in a mail for phase 2. In the phase 2, what will exactly happen is you will be taught, you will be given training about some technical settings, that how exactly you will be using the technical tools and other things for teaching purpose. Also, you will be given some kind of a quick activity to see that how exactly do you connect with the student. So it is a very easy thing and a very basic things to check that how exactly do you communicate and interact. Then coming forward is the phase 3. So once you have successfully cleared phase 1 and 2, you will be given the mail for phase 3. Here in phase 3, once again you will have to give a demo. Again the topics will be changed, and for whichever subject you have chosen you will have to give a demo presentation. So I mean, it is again very easy. It will just see that how you have evolved from demo 1 till demo 3, and you will have to properly give the demo. And always remember, be very honest and be very easy. Don't go so nervous, because the way you speak, the way you communicate and interact are the things that they really notice. After first phase 3, there is a phase 4, which is commonly known as the admin panel training. In this particular training, they will teach you, because almost you are like on the way to get onboarded. So they will just give you training that how exactly will you use their admin portal. So they have their own admin portal which is to be used while you are taking classes. So yeah, once you are thorough with the phase third, they will give you training for the admin panel thing. Okay, it is again very easy, and they tell you each and everything, how simply by baby steps they tell you everything. So at last, once you are thorough with the admin this portal training also, then they you're onboarded, and they'll start giving you various classes. So as about the pay structure is concerned, so they have not really revealed that what will be their pay structure, but yes, various sites, according to various sites, and even on their own site, they have written that you can earn up to 50,000 by teaching. So mainly they pay you like maybe per hour basis, but whatever the thing is, once you get selected, they will completely give you and reveal the proper pay structure to you, right? So yeah, by it is better to do something rather than sitting idle, I feel. So it's always good to give a try. So yeah, if you have reached till here, then congratulations, you are onboarded and you have got a great job in your hand. So thank you so much for watching the video, and if you need any assistance into the process, and if you're facing any difficulties, you can mention it below in the comment section, and I'll like to rectify your problems. Thank you for watching.